We all know Claude Code and its powerful agentic capabilities right inside your terminal. With all the recent hype around it, many developers have been searching for cheaper or even free alternatives that deliver similar results. Today, I found one that's truly impressive: agentic, efficient, and code generation that's open source and partially free. It's from the Mistral team, who's also sponsoring today's video, and it's called Mistral Vibe. This is something that launched recently, and it's already shaping up to be a game changer in AI assisted development. But what is Mistral Vibe? Well, it's a terminal native AI coding agent that is like Open Code and Claude Code, capable of writing, testing, refactoring your code, and even deploying your code all from the command line. It supports async tasks. It integrates with tools like GitHub, Jira, Slack, and Jenkins, and comes with customizable agent workflows to automate long-running tasks. For example, take a look at how it can document shell aliases with the Mistral Vibe tool. This is where it's capable of reading your dot files, understanding what each alias does, and generating clean structured documentation automatically. You can point it at your aliases and explain each command purpose. It filters out highly specific scripts and shows how to install them via the ZSHRC or the alias file. You can even create custom sub-agents in Mistral Vibe, letting you build specialized agents to deploy scripts, PR reviews, test generations, or even repeatable workflows, and invoke them on demand with a single command. Sub-agents inherit project context while focusing on your domain. It is something that can enable composable automation that scales with your team and your developer workflow. You even have multi-choice clarification that gives you control when Vibe isn't sure what to do next. Instead of guessing, it surfaces multiple options so you can pick the path that matches your intent. This means safer automation and sharper outcomes. And finally, with slash command skills, this makes repeated tasks faster because with Mistral Vibe CLI, it supports pre-configured workflows that you can access with a single keystroke. You simply use the slash command to deploy, lint, generate docs, or even have it so that it can tackle any task that you define it. That is where these skills encapsulate best practices into repeatable commands, eliminating boilerplate and acceleration with operation across your codebase. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. Under the hood, Mistral Vibe is powered by a stack of models. Devstral tool is one of the ones that drives the code generation and deployment. Codestrel handles large project context, and Codestrel Embed enables state-of-the-art semantic search for smarter code navigation and retrieval. And what's great is that Mistral Vibe is free and open source, and you can even bring your own API key. But if you are wanting to get a generous usage for full-time development, you would want to get the Late Chat Pro, and this is where you get full access to Mistral Vibe CLI and Devstral too. And if you are a student, you get 50% off. It's ideal for sustained and daily dev work, and it is priced at $14.99 a month. Late Chat Team gets you higher usage, and it's more meant for team usage. And this is something that is charging you $24.99 a seat per month. So to get started, it is super simple. You have the ability to install Vibe CLI using Bash or Python, but say if you want to work with it directly within your IDE, you have the ability to install the VS Code or JetBrains integration with tab completion and context-aware code edits. This is a great option if you're not looking to deploy it directly within your terminal, but throughout today's video, we are deploying it to our terminal, and it's super simple. Head over to the AI studio of Mistral, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. And in the left panel, you'll see Vibe CLI. You have the ability to now install the CLI using the curl command, and it is super simple. Just simply go ahead and copy this and open up your terminal. I'm opening up WSL because I am on Windows. And once it loads in, we can then paste in this command to install Mistral Vibe. And it is really easy as that, guys. After installing, you have the ability to get started with Mistral Vibe CLI using two different commands. You can use Vibe, which is the standard CLI usage, where you manually run commands and interact step by step with it. Or you can use the ACP method, which runs Vibe in a more agent-driven automated mode, where it can orchestrate tasks and manage workflows and even act more autonomously. You can use whatever method is best suited for you, but essentially, once you launch it in, you will be able to see the Mistral Vibe CLI, and the experience is totally amazing, guys. I really love how this CLI actually looks. You have the ability to obviously select your plan, or you can simply just bring your own API to get started. And if you are to use the slash help command directly within the terminal, this is where it will be able to provide you a list of all the commands, special features, and the keyboard shortcuts that will let you use Mistral Vibe easily. And this is essentially where you can now start using Mistral Vibe to do anything. For example, let me just showcase how fast and easy it is to prototype anything with Mistral Vibe. I'm requesting it to create a beautiful front end with this detailed prompt, and you will be able to see how fast it is in terms of executing this task using the Devstral model. Right away, you will be able to see the multiple choice questionnaire. That is a feature that Mistral has built within its CLI. This is a way for you to easily work with your tool to get the best generations. It is asking us to upload the image you want as reference for the landing page design. You can either upload it, you can skip, or you can even type in your answer. Afterwards, you'll see that it will then work upon creating a detailed plan for you to execute upon. This is where it is going to handle everything, like coding out all the files, structuring it, and making sure that it's able to import all the libraries that we had requested. If we approve the plan, we can just tell it to continue and start developing this landing page for us. And you can see right away that it has already started creating the HTML file, the CSS file, and the JavaScript file. And I gotta say, the performance is truly remarkable, guys, because just take a look at the quality of output based off of that prompt I sent in. This is our landing page that was instantly developed with the Mistral Devstral model. I'll also leave their GitHub repo, which talks about all of the components like setting up the different custom agents, setting up custom system prompts, the MCP server configs, as well as a couple of other things. This is a really detailed log of what you can do with the CLI tool, as well as their changelog, because this is a great way for you to keep up with whatever they are shipping on a weekly basis. Sub agents and task delegation, especially with this cheap price, is going to get you a lot of things done because you can essentially just have it so that if you are to invoke the task tool by just specifying it within your prompt, it is going to be able to allowing you to create custom agents as well as having them work upon delegating your task. So in this case, I have a pretty big code base, and it is a code base on my AI ops dashboard. I am requesting it to analyze my code base and generate tests for all utility functions. Now, you will see that this is where Mistral Vibe really is going to stand out because it is going to be able to use asynchronous agents with extended autonomy, meaning that it can handle long running tasks without blocking me. It also does this in parallel because it has parallel execution capabilities, which is something that is built within the task itself, delegating tasks to sub agents to do multiple things at the same time. It runs validation loops, making sure outputs are correct completely. And you can see that it was able to successfully analyze the code base and generate tests for all the utility functions, even providing me a summary. And I have the ability to actually access the test for me to get a better understanding of what it ran. And guys, to create sub agents, it is super simple. You can just tell the Mistral Vibe agent, like create a sub agent to handle PR reviews and run it. This is a way for you to easily invoke and have it so that you can create sub agents that are able to support a composable automation for you where you can chain specialized agents to do anything and you can even have them work together. And like I had stated, there are a couple of different slash commands that you can use for meta actions and configuration changes during a session. You have the ability to use them by accessing the slash help command that will get you access to a list of different commands that you can use. But you can even create your own custom slash command using skills. This is where you can create a skills directory, a skills MD, like you would within Claude Code. And this is where you can set it to this so that it is true within the skills metadata so that you can define the command logic in your skill. You can create a skill like deploying it directly to your GitHub repo. A description would be provided and then have it so that you can invoke it once you specify to your CLI agent that you want to use the skill. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. In essence, this is a great, remarkable tool that is a cheaper as well as a great alternative to something like Open Code as well as Claude Code while nailing all the features that those two tools have at a cheaper rate. This Mistral Vibe adds structured control to your terminal native automation. This includes custom subagents, clarification prompts, slash commands, skills, and unified agent modes, all directly within its free open source CLI tool. It's something that I highly recommend that you take a look at with all the links in the description below so that you can easily get started completely for free. Make sure you join the newsletter as well as our second channel. Join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe. And thanks to the Mistral team for sponsoring today's video and supporting the channel. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.